ETENWOLF tire pump. This one is the S1 pump right here. Now I've got another pump by these guys and I have been very impressed with it. I use it for pretty much everything. This one has a high pressure to it. It can go from 3 psi to 160 psi. It's got an auto stop, preset memory, USB-C charging, and 4 modes of operation. Now it came in this little ripstop case right here. Now I set all of it up already, but I'm just going to show you what you get with it. I love the layout that they did with this. It is nice and compact. You don't have to screw the hose on. The hose is automatically connected. And then looking over it right here, inside of here is your basketball needle, and I think it's got needle, and it's got a Presto valve and Schrader valve connector in there. It's got a light on the top, USB input right there. Now mine's already fully charged. I really like how the layout is. Oh, I screwed this whole thing. The fact that they give you that, you can go on there. You don't have to screw it on like a lot of them. You stick that down on there and it is good to go. And to turn it on, you're going to hold this button down right there. Big, nice display. It's got a light right here. You guys see that? It's got a SOS and different types of mode. 3 different modes of light on here. To adjust it, so you see right there, it's on car, bike, basketball, and then custom. Custom can go all the way up to 160, and to set it, there's a plus and minus, but you know what we're going to do? We're going to go on, let's put it on 34. I've got a trailer tire out here that we're going to put, let's put 50 in that tire. Here's some literature that came with it and a USB-C, but we don't need that. Let's go ahead, let's get out here and let's test this thing out on a flat trailer tire that I have and see how this thing works. Okay, so here we go. So let's go up on here. What are we already at on this thing? I think we're on 0. You guys see that? We are on 0. Oh, we're on 1.5 psi. I don't know how well you can see it. There's some weird sun going on. Let's go ahead and start this thing. I really like how the outside edge goes up and around. It kind of starts low and it builds itself up. And then you see right here, so 50 is going to be a ways. You want to be careful not to let it suck in, but watch how neat this hose is. You can just set it like that and let it go. So let me set it there. It's going to be a minute. Let's see how long it takes to put 50 psi in this trailer tire. All right, we just passed 49.2, 49.4. Let's see what it does. That simply took around about maybe 3 minutes. There it is. It stopped right on 50, and the fact you can pull it off just like that. Yeah, that tire still has a leak in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some slime in there. Actually, I got a whole new tire to put on here eventually, so we're all good to go when we change these tires out. But I just wanted to show you real quick on how nice this thing works. Carry in your glove box, carry in the trunk of your car. Keep this thing with you because you never know when you need to air a tire up. If you have some slime with you or some Fix-A-Flat in one of these, you don't really need a spare tire, believe it or not. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ETENWOLF, you know, tire inflator, portable tire inflator. See you on the next video.